or the Buddha's education, it is essential to understand the method. To understand, we need to delve deeply into just one teaching, one method, follow one teacher. When we wish to truly learn effectively, we need to follow one teacher, follow one path. This will ensure a smooth journey. When following two teachers with two different paths, we are bound to become confused as to which path to take. Following three teachers, we find ourselves at a T-stop, not knowing which of the three directions to move. And following four teachers, four methods, we are stopped at a crossroads, unable to proceed any further. Today, people like to learn a lot. But this is why they often fail to attain good results. The problem lies with being stuck at those crossroads, confused as to which direction to move in. We need to follow one teacher, one method to succeed and attain achievement in our practice and cultivation. What is this achievement? It is attaining purity of mind. Upon achieving some degree of purity of mind, we will have fewer afflictions, and thus an increase in true wisdom, enabling us to solve the problems of this world and beyond. There really is no way to solve these problems without this wisdom. Therefore, it is essential in leading happy and fulfilling lives, and on a much broader scale in helping us to solve the problems that society and our world are currently facing. We need to break free of our attachments to attain this wisdom, for without it, we could misinterpret the meaning of the sutras. If we are able to do away with the mind of selfishness, then true benefits will be ours. With proper enlightenment, only when we have no ego attachment, no selfishness, will we be able to differentiate true from false, beneficial from harmful, proper from deviated. Without breaking through our own delusions, we will have none of these abilities. One level above, proper enlightenment is equal and proper enlightenment. Equal means equal to the Buddhas, but not yet achieving Buddhahood. This is the level of a bodhisattva. Equal and proper enlightenment requires us to break through 1 degree of delusion, of ignorance, to attain 1 degree of Dharma body, the original true body. At that point, the way we view life and the world around us is very close to that of the Buddhas. And after breaking through the very last degree of ignorance, perfecting wisdom and enlightenment, we will achieve the 3rd level, that is perfect, complete enlightenment. From the intrinsic nature of Buddhism, we realize that the purpose of our practice is to seek wisdom. Different methods are practiced by different people, but the results or the level of the state of mind are the same. Therefore, to criticize other schools would be to slander both the Buddha and his teachings. For all these methods were passed down to us from him. Choosing any one of these proper methods will enable the practitioner to attain the goal. Understanding this, how can we possibly say that one is better than another? Among all these different methods, we just need to decide which one is suitable for us to practice. First, it needs to be suitable, because if we chose a method that was beyond us and thus difficult to practice, we would not easily succeed. Second, it needs to be appropriate and convenient for our manner of living. And third, it needs to be compatible with modern society, because we cannot separate ourselves from other people or from the world. But regardless of which method is chosen, it is essential to be rid of egoism and attachments in order to attain the benefits, or else all of our efforts will have been in vain. Once we clearly understand the Buddha's teachings, we will understand and view the sutras very differently. These sutras are a vast collection of over 160 volumes. To obtain the benefits from this vast collection, it is necessary for us to understand what it says, to understand its essence, which is the true reality of all phenomena, the true reality of life